Question 7. Sam's garden centre buys trees to sell. Each tree costs Sam. He's bought 200 trees and they each cost £25. So his 200 trees at £25. 22% were not sold. So if 22% were not sold, that means he sold 100, take away 22. So he sold 78% of the trees and he sold them all for £40 each. So let's have a little look at, first of all, profit. Profit is what you sell things for, take away what you buy them for. So if you're going to look at buying, he bought £25 worth at 200. So 25 times 2 is 50. So 25 times 2 is 50. So if I times by 20, it becomes 500. And if I times by 200, it becomes 5,000. So he buys things for £5,000 and he sells 78%. So he sells 78% of 200. So 78% of 200 means 1% is going to be 2. Because to find 1%, you divide by 100. So now I'm doing 78 double 78. Double 70 is 140. Double 8 is 16. So that means he sold 156 trees and he sold them for £40 each. So I need to do 156 times 40. So that is going to be the same as, if I times by 10 first, as 1,560 times 4, because 40 is 4 times 10. So I'm going to work that out. I'll do it as this way, 1,560, and I multiply that by 4. So 4 times 1,000 is 4,000. 4 times 500 is 2,000. And 4 times 60 is 240. So 4,000 add 2,000 is 6,000. Add 240. So that means his profit is 6,240. Take away 5,000, which is £1,240. Part B. The trees are planted to make identical pots. They each have a uniform cross-section in the shape of a hexagon. Show that these pots will tessellate. So what that means is, because angles at the point is 360, and each of these interior angles is going to be 120 because they're regular. If I drew another hexagon, so another 6-sided shape, that angle here would also be 120. And my other hexagon would also be 160, because 3 times 120 is 360. So we just talk about that. So angles at a point is 360. So because they're regular, they're all the same size. So 3 times 120 is 360. So I can see they tessellate.